Let's watch some TV. Wow, this looks worse. Another creepy incident in the middle of the city. What is that, an alarm or something? Oh no, the brake is down. I guess this isn't a good sign. I'm trying to don't panic. I guess it's just a test alarm. I will hope it's getting over. This is such a creepy situation. Who is this? My neighbor? No, that's not possible. He is at a vacation. Damn. What should I do now? I will take my house gun for safety and open the door. Oh, hello officer.
Hello there. Are you fine? It's all okay? Are you getting hurt by somebody?
Yes, don't worry, I'm fine officer. Thank you for checking out. So what's the matter outside there? Why the alarm siren?
Actually, I don't know. I can't explain this. So I can tell we have many reports from citizens that saw some people they are completely out of control and attacks other ones. But don't worry, we are trying to handle this.
Oh my god, what the hell was that? Is this one of that people that lost their mind?